The three pillars of the Scrum Empirical Process are transparency, inspection, and adaptation. Scrum provides transparency of the entire process to everyone associated with the project, including the committed core team roles and the involved stakeholders and managers. Everything associated with the project is openly observable as it is happening. The transparency is built into the Scrum artifacts, meetings, and processes. Artifacts produced within the sprint include the sprint backlog, which clearly shows what is going to be delivered in the sprint. The publicly posted burndown chart shows the team's progress at any point in the sprint. And the product increment delivered at the end of the sprint is working software that can be exercised to demonstrate the completed features. The product backlog is ordered by priority, making it easy to see what features are considered more important and will be delivered first. Transparency is inherent in the Scrum meetings. In the daily stand-up Scrum meeting, each team member relates what they did yesterday, what they will do today, and what is blocking them. And the sprint retrospective meeting is all about the team coming together to openly discuss what went wrong and right in the last sprint. In the sprint review, the customer receives a demonstration of the product increment, the working software in a deliverable form. The visibility afforded in these reviews allows the customer to give feedback as the product is being developed, allowing adjustments to ensure the final product satisfies the customer. Inspection means taking advantage of the transparency to observe each step of the process and critically evaluate how the project is progressing. This inspection is facilitated by the Scrum Artifacts and meetings. The artifacts produced are used and inspected by the team and stakeholders daily to determine how the project is progressing. These same artifacts are also used in the Sprint Retrospective meeting. The Sprint Retrospective is a key meeting in which the entire Scrum team reviews their performance in the past sprint, discussing issues, their causes, and how processes can be adjusted to alleviate the issues in the future. It's not enough just to make observations. In Scrum, the observations must lead to adaptations. The insights gained from the Sprint Retrospective prompts the team to change how they do work, to foster continuous process improvement. Change is incremental. A few changes are chosen to implement in each next sprint. This ability to continually adjust and tweak the process allows the team to become more and more efficient and effective over time. Use of the Scrum Empirical Process allows people from cross-functional groups to communicate and collaborate, not only on the work at hand, but how they are doing the work. This cycle of transparency, inspection, and adaptation over time leads to strong cross-functional teams that are continually improving how they work together toward common goals.